Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's November 7th, Friday. We got the grain markets starting off a little bit lower this morning. At least they finished the overnight markets that way. Corn down 3.5, beans down a penny, wheat down about 5.25 cents. A lot of guys probably going to see some positioning ahead of the report that comes out on Monday. So Monday, 11 o'clock, USDA going to release supply and demand numbers. What are we going to see? What's bullish? What's bearish? Looking at corn right now, they're expecting to see carryout numbers now to 2.1, just above 2.1 billion carryout for corn. Going to be another reminder for corn that we've got this big crop out there, and what are we going to do with it? So I wouldn't be surprised maybe to see that corn market set back a little bit, maybe see a little profit taken from the rally that we've had. Beans, on the other hand, maybe see a little drawdown here as far as carry out, down to 442 million is the average guess. That may be looked at as a little friendly, but I think we got to ask ourselves, is 442 million, was it bullish or bearish from these price levels? So have we played in this already? And we've got to watch that, because the average yields that guys are expecting for beans is at a 47.6. So some of the expectations, and some people are saying, hey, maybe we'll get to 48 as far as an average yield there. How is USDA going to adjust these numbers in order to get us to this carry-out numbers? So this will all be watched very closely come Monday. The average yield for corn, they're expecting 175.2. So that's a little bit better as well. So keep an eye on that. That's what guys will be watching and getting in position for Monday. Now, yesterday, beans made a big move on the coattails of meal. That is still going to be a driving factor, something that we need to pay attention to. Meal led the way higher yesterday. As meal made a new high, beans kept creeping up, making a new high. So we have to watch that. Meal is a little lower this morning. But it's the spreads, and it's the crush margin that we have. The crush for these for meal still very profitable. You've got good basis levels out there for beans. They want them right now. Now this is a pipeline issue, and a more of a logistical issue. And how do we get these beans spread around the country? Now this might be a short-term scenario until we get this issue fixed. Well, meal has a strong basis, and we're going to continue to see these markets stay very volatile, especially these front months. December meal, November beans. So if you guys got questions on that stuff, give us a call. We're here to help you on it. But things to watch there. Meal has been the leading factor on those beans. It may be that way again, but continue to watch that. We'll see what happens. As far as the cattle and livestock, box beef down a little bit, choice down 72, select down 87. We did have some trade in Nebraska, 168 yesterday, just better than 2,500 head. But that would suggest a 166, 167 Texas trade, so $1 to $2 lower. Markets right now probably going to remain choppy to see what happens today. Can we get a little better trade today or not? But we did see that trade in Nebraska there yesterday. Hogs, probably going to see a choppy start to the morning. Cutout values down 59 overnight. Keep an eye on that too. But probably going to see some choppiness as we end the week. Stock market up 5 right now. Gold up $6. You got silver that's up 10 cents. And the dollar right now unchanged. Some pretty whippy trade for that dollar, but unchanged here at this point. So give us a call if you guys have any questions today. 800-262-7538. Or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend.